Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Explore powerful agricultural machines transforming farming. Stay tuned for the latest tech updates. Subscribe now. The Liebherr LTM 11200 is a powerful mobile crane used in agricultural and construction applications. It is designed for heavy lifting tasks, including transporting large farming equipment and materials. With its impressive lifting capacity and long reach, it enhances efficiency in agricultural operations, providing support for tasks like irrigation system installation and large-scale equipment transport. The CAT Model 993 loader is a heavy-duty machine used in agriculture for material handling and loading tasks. It is designed to handle large volumes of soil, gravel, and crops efficiently. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, it provides high productivity and stability, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The Raptor Rover is an agricultural machine designed for efficient field operations such as crop scouting, spraying, and monitoring. Its compact design and advanced GPS technology allow it to navigate uneven terrains easily. The Raptor Rover improves productivity by reducing labor costs and enhancing precision in tasks like fertilization and pest control. Metalcraft scrapers are agricultural machines used for leveling and grading soil. They efficiently move large amounts of dirt, improving field preparation for planting. Their robust design ensures durability and high performance in various terrains. The Stair AS14 is an agricultural machine designed for precise soil cultivation. It efficiently prepares the soil for planting by loosening and aerating, ensuring optimal conditions for crop growth and improving soil structure. Portum is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and land leveling. It helps improve soil structure, ensuring better water infiltration and root growth, essential for optimal crop production in large-scale farming. The TC50/TC100 System Meister is an agricultural machine designed for precise tilling and soil preparation. It improves soil texture, enhancing water retention and root penetration for better crop yield and growth. The 47SX3 from Schwing is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient concrete pumping. It is commonly used in large-scale farm infrastructure projects, offering precise delivery and high performance in tough terrains. The CAT 973 is a tracked crawler loader used in agriculture for efficient soil handling, grading, and material transport. Its powerful engine and durability make it ideal for heavy-duty farm operations in challenging terrains. The Tiger Cat 6900 is a powerful forestry and agriculture machine designed for land clearing and heavy-duty logging. It efficiently handles large-scale material moving, offering high performance in tough, rugged terrains. The Chemrock KSI Shokum is an advanced soil preparation machine used in agriculture for efficient trenching and soil mixing. It helps improve soil conditions and enhances water drainage, supporting better crop growth. The OpenBox C Plus is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and crop care. It helps with tasks like tilling and planting, ensuring optimal soil structure and promoting healthy crop growth. The zero-emission e-lift electric crane is an environmentally friendly machine designed for lifting and material handling in agriculture. It operates with zero emissions, providing efficient and silent performance while reducing environmental impact during farming operations. Ideal for precise lifting tasks. The Kaiser S2 Cross is a versatile agricultural machine designed for land clearing and soil preparation. It features a powerful engine and specialized attachments, making it efficient in tackling tough terrains and improving farm productivity. The K-Tech 1233 is a high-performance agricultural scraper designed for precise soil leveling and material movement. It offers excellent efficiency in large-scale earth-moving tasks, improving farmland preparation and enhancing productivity. The Unimog U530 is a versatile agricultural vehicle known for its off-road capabilities. Equipped with powerful engines and specialized attachments, it efficiently handles tasks like plowing, transporting, and road maintenance, making it ideal for diverse farming operations in harsh terrains. The SA200G is a powerful excavator used in agriculture for digging, trenching, and land preparation. With advanced hydraulics and precision controls, it efficiently handles soil, rocks, and other materials, improving productivity and reducing labor costs in farming operations. The Ravers WRC 1250 AC is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and land preparation. With its high-performance capabilities, it improves productivity, ensuring quick and precise operations for farmers. The RU800S Swiatkowski is a powerful agricultural machine used for soil preparation and land leveling. Its robust design ensures efficiency in heavy-duty tasks, offering precise performance and reliability in farming operations. The Ferret is a versatile agricultural machine used for land clearing and vegetation management. It offers exceptional maneuverability and power, making it ideal for various tasks like brush clearing and soil preparation in challenging terrains. The ProX Diamond mowers are powerful land clearing machines designed for efficient vegetation management. They are equipped with heavy-duty rotary cutters, making them ideal for mowing, brush cutting, and land clearing tasks. The CAS-7 is an advanced agricultural tractor known for its versatility and power. Equipped with a robust engine and efficient hydraulic system, it excels in various tasks such as plowing, tilling, and hauling. Its ergonomic design and reliable performance make it ideal for medium to large-scale farming operations. The LKW Bagger is a versatile agricultural machine used for digging, loading, and transporting materials like soil and gravel. Powered by a strong engine, it features a large bucket for efficient material handling. Commonly used in construction and farming, it ensures high productivity with its durable and reliable performance. The Hilton is a robust agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and land cultivation. It is commonly used for tasks such as plowing, tilling, and seedbed preparation. With advanced technology and durable components, the Hilton enhances efficiency and productivity on farms, ensuring better crop yields and soil health. The Amatis Long Reach is an advanced agricultural machine designed for specialized tasks like harvesting and land clearing. Its extended reach allows it to access hard-to-reach areas, improving efficiency in operations. It's known for its powerful performance, durability, and precision in handling large-scale farming activities such as trimming and cutting. The Dino DC420Ri is a robust agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty tasks such as land clearing, tree maintenance, and vegetation management. Its high-reaching hydraulic arm and powerful engine allow efficient operation in tough terrains, providing precision and versatility for farmers and contractors involved in large-scale agricultural projects. The Unimog flail is a versatile agricultural machine equipped with a flail mower. It is used for vegetation management, such as mowing grass and clearing dense brush, offering efficiency in tough terrain in various farming environments. A set of jacks is a crucial tool in agriculture for lifting heavy machinery, vehicles, or equipment for maintenance or repairs. It provides stability and safety when handling large, heavy agricultural machines. The Prinafleet Wolf H2 Motion is a powerful tracked vehicle used in agriculture for heavy-duty tasks. It features a hybrid drive system, combining fuel and electric power, enhancing efficiency and reducing emissions while operating on challenging terrains like forests and steep landscapes. Megaswing is a powerful forestry machine used for cutting and processing large trees. It swings a cutting head, efficiently handling tough, dense vegetation in challenging terrains. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a high-performance agricultural scraper designed for earth moving and material handling. It efficiently levels, scrapes, and moves soil in large-scale farming operations, increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. The KLR 1800 from Damcon is a powerful agricultural machine designed for efficient tree planting and soil preparation. It is ideal for large-scale reforestation projects, offering precision and speed in planting tasks. A sawmill is an industrial facility used for cutting and processing wood. It converts logs into lumber, planks, and other wood products, using large saws and specialized machinery for efficient wood processing.